Hi there, it's Davis here from Triumph Coaching, and in this video I wanted to share with you a super easy way how you can use Chat GPT to actually help you improve your life. Now I'm sure if you're watching this, then you've heard of Chat GPT, the AI software that can help you do almost anything on the internet. Now today I wanted to share with you how you could actually use it to actually transform your life. Because when it comes to personal development, to self-improvement, we have questions. We're trying to improve our life in different areas, different aspects, and people are different. Now you can use ChatGPT to actually ask it what it is that you are struggling with, and it'll give you various tips, it'll give you various advice, different things that you can try to improve your life. It's something that is very smart, because at the end of the day, it is basically using all of the information that is out there on the internet. So all of the experts, all of their knowledge is basically at your fingertips. You don't even have to go searching for it. This way, it's actually just right there. In a few seconds, you can get what it is you're asking for, and you have no more excuses on why you cannot transform your life. You can ask it for the best ways to improve or fight your procrastination, and it'll give you tips. It can basically be your own AI coach. Now, as a coach, am I scared about this? No, because it's about accountability when it comes to working with a coach. It's not just about knowing what to do. It's about sticking to it, being consistent, being held accountable. That is where the real change comes. So go ahead, try ChatGPT, and at the end of the day, just remember, it's more about just finding what it is that you need to do, regardless of where you get the tips and advice from, whether it's from an AI bot, whether it's from someone like me, a coach, a mentor, from your friends, from a book you read. It's all about action, and no one can take the action for you. That's something that you need to do. And if you need help being held accountable and someone to help you along the way when it comes to your self-improvement journey, then be sure to reach out to me and we can work together. Otherwise, thank you and take care. Bye. I hope you found this video valuable. Please like and subscribe and share the video to help it reach more people and also help our channel grow so that we can help improve other people's lives. And you can also try out our free Wheel of Life assessment tool. It will help you evaluate your life in 10 distinct areas so that you can improve the parts that you want by setting goals and creating an action plan that will help you develop the habits to become the person that you want at your own pace. Check it out at toolsyourtriumphcoaching.com.